Right now,
Hey
we have going early bird
it's definitely
special at
Stallworth, your
$75.
ATL traffic
Only
lady. Listen to
After that,
Real Talk with Rashad Richey on News and Talk 1380 WOK. Hey, I'm on the downtown connector heading southbound. Georgia Military College. I'm on my way to see you. How you doing today? Is sunroof open so I can feel the wind blow weather? Well, that's good. I don't want nobody to shoot at me though. And I think I'm giving them a gesture, which I'm not, by the way. Ay, ay, ay. We are heading down past Peachtree exit. And yes, it's all good. It's all good. Hope you guys are having a super morning. It's midweek, the first Wednesday. Is it the first Wednesday, full Wednesday of spring? I think so. Gotta close these windows. I open up my window, and this huge mosquito jumped in. I'm like, what the heck? What is going on here? I mean, it was this big. I'm like, oh my gosh. It wasn't that lively. It was so big. But I had to open my door to get it out. I don't want to be on the highway and the mosquitoes coming through, jumping on me or something. That would be cause for a crash. Hey, so I'm heading down to teach a class, public speaking course at Georgia Military College. So hey to all my dual enrollment students. Dual enrollment, for those who don't know, that is when you're enrolled both in high school and college at the same time. So you have your high school enrollment and your college enrollment. So people who start dual enrollment, by the time they graduate high school, this is in Georgia, I guess other states too. I wish they had this when I was in high school. Right before you get your high school diploma, you end up getting your college diploma. I mean, your college degree, your associate's degree. So you have your 2-year degree already. And that's an awesome thing. I don't even think the kids pay for it. The problem with the kids don't pay for it is they don't appreciate it, some of them. They just want to do whatever they do in high school in this college course, and I'm just not having it. I'm like, no. Take your hats off, take your hoods off, take your earphones out, put your cell phones and devices away. No talking while other people are talking. No eating, no drinking in class. Have your decorum right. You know, you're not in high school right now. Once you get off that school bus onto this college campus, you got to come college correct. You're getting college education. We expect college level behavior, even if you're not a college level student. I mean, academically you are, age-wise you're not, but you got to step up. So, you know, in my syllabus I got all that. No eating, because that's a rule anyway at the school. No eating and drinking in the classrooms. But they want to bring their whole lunch in there. I'm like, what is this? No, can't do it. I declare, and I'm the mother of 3 teenagers, so I already know all those antics. They can't fool me none. I already know everything y'all doing and thinking. So please, you know. Anyway, it's fun though. It's nice to do that with those young folks. Get their head start. Some really got their heads on straight too. They already have the plans for their life, what they're doing, where they're going to be going, and what, you know, what's ahead for them. And some are in there just trying to figure it out. But either way, I mean, my gosh, just think about it for people of a certain age who did not have that program. You know, you get out of high school like, yeah, I'm out of high school, I'm going to college, or I'm going to do whatever you're going to do. But here, right before they graduate high school, they graduate a 2-year degree in college, associate's degree. So then when they go off to undergrad, they're already a junior, when all their peers who didn't take dual enrollment are freshmen. So, you know, that's a good way to get a head start on your life and career. So it's all good. Hello, dual enrollment. Georgia Military College, Langston Hughes, I believe, is my high school that kids are doing it from. They do it on campus with us. So hey to y'all. Then tonight, I'll be at teaching another public speaking course at SAE. That's in downtown Atlanta. Now, these people are not in high school. They're grown folks. But they're people who want audio engineering degrees, digital film degrees, entertainment business degrees, that kind of school. So less traditional type student, but they already know what they want to do and they're already doing it. So that's pretty cool too. But yeah, it's all good. It's all good. So Stephanie Stallworth, the Atltrafficlady, is now Professor Stallworth. I'm going in my professor mode. So no headphones. You guys. I don't know. What's up with that? All my educators, tell me more. Why are kids wearing headphones all day? Well, my kids wear headphones all day. I'm like, take them headphones out. They're in a car with me riding shotgun right in the front. I'm like, no. Take at least one ear out so you can talk to me, right? Do not be sitting up in the front with me and you got your headphones on. Oh, we're not doing that. That's out. That's all the way out. So I may come and think on a ride with me. They got to have them all the way off if they're really not paying attention, or half the way off. Plus, when we were coming up, what was on the radio was what the parents wanted on the radio. They could control what you listen to. They got them headphones on. They don't know what they're listening to. I'm like, why you in here with me? You'll be listening to this. Listen to or we'll have a conversation. They don't know how to converse anymore. What's the deal with that? Social skills are lacking for these, what are they, Gen Yers? I don't even know what they're called anymore. They're not Gen Xers. They're not millennials. Gen Zers, I think they're Generation Z. Is that what they are? Not Generation Y. Generation Z? Whatever you are, that's why you take Professor Stallworth's speech class, so you can learn how to have a conversation. Learn about verbal and nonverbal communication and what all that entails, Yeah, so it's all good. What y'all doing today? Leave me a note in the comments what you're doing, what you guys are up to. This phone thing's getting a little loose. It keeps dropping down, dropping down. I'm on 85 South, Fulton County. Hey, how y'all doing? I wish I could just flip the camera around for you real quick. I don't know, I think I can do it. I need a higher end phone. Any recommendations? Oh, what I was thinking of going to, what do you call that thing? Xfinity has their phone service, which apparently uses the Verizon signal and towers for much less money. So I'm thinking about doing that. I'll let you know if I switch over what I think of their service. But the price is way better than the Verizon price, I do declare. However, it's supposed to be the same towers and signals. We'll see. We shall see. We shall see. These things we use all day, it's just, they take all your money, right? Well, maybe not all your money, but more money than they should, or something like that. I remember we used to say, who's going to pay for water? Who's going to buy bottled water? Or moreover, and yes, I'm telling my age, who's going to pay for TV? Why would you pay for TV? It's free. Is my exit probably too much chat with you people. Lord have mercy. That's all right. I'm gonna take 285. 85 south. 25. Great. I all the way missed my exit. All right. So yeah, I used to think, when cable first came out, I'm like, who's gonna pay for television? I used to do that. Just get an antenna. You're good. 25 east. I don't really want that. I want 285 west. Oh, I'm gonna have to flip it and go back around. Wow. That's the second time I did that. Not the exact same thing. I think a couple days ago I missed my exit too. Let me think. This here. See if I can get back on. See if I can get back on. But yeah, who's going to pay for television? And look how many hundreds of dollars we're paying for stupid television and internet every month. Remember, we had 3 channels plus UHFs. Now look, right? All right, I pontificated enough. I'm going to get on off of here. You guys have a good day. I got to figure out how to get where I'm going since I missed my exit. All right, it's Stephanie Stallworth, Atltrafficlady. Hope you guys are good. I wonder if I can get back on 75 from here. Let us see. Let's see. Anyhow, you ever drive, get lost, to get found? That's what I'm doing today. So I'm talking about these here streets. I don't know what I'm talking about. Got a U-turn. Lord be a fence. Here we go. Let's see what road I'm on here. That's a U-turn road. There's no other way to go. Great. All right, guys. I better get off here so I can find where I'm going. Love ya. See you later. Ay, ay, ay. All right. It's all good. It's Stephanie Stallworth, the ATL Traffic Lady. Lost in Fulton County. Stuck in a backup. All right. You know traffic people don't like being stuck in traffic. 85. State Route 85. I don't want to be on State Route 85. All right, guys. Bye, State Route 85. Bye, you guys. Talk to you later. See ya. Bye.